At this point, you were probably thinking, oh my, another virtual thing. We had to get used to abstractions like virtual currencies, virtual assets, and now we are talking about virtual machines? Well, we live in the digital information age, so virtual goods and virtual reality are going to be more and more present in our everyday life. So it's useful to get comfortable with such concepts step by step. Virtual machines are a pretty abstract concept, so we'll try and tackle the difficult task of explaining it from several angles. Virtual machines are not an entirely new idea in distributed computing. With the continued development of the World Wide Web, the number of software products and services migrating in the cloud has been steadily increasing. Business models and information infrastructure have evolved and adapted to the new paradigm of the web. It is more effective and efficient to share and distribute computing resources rather than store and process everything on the same computer. The concept of cloud computing and virtualization is based on the separation between the different components of a computer system. At the top level, we have hardware and software, right? Then we can break down the different types of software into additional layers, such as software operating systems and software applications. A virtual machine is another construct that comes on top of computer hardware, or a standard operating system like Windows, and interacts with various applications. A virtual machine basically creates a virtual operating system environment that can be separated from the hardware. This allows an entire operating system to be copied and pasted from one hardware device to another, just like any other file. Think a video, a picture, or a text file. Such virtualization is part of cloud computing, which is very popular nowadays. Many software products and services are increasingly being delivered on demand on the cloud, which means they are internet-based and distributed. Microsoft Office, with its Word, Excel, and PowerPoint applications, which have become pretty much a software household name and Office staple of the 1990s and early 2000s, now have their cloud-based alternatives, such as Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides. More and more businesses and consumers are turning to cloud-based solutions. Salesforce is another popular software-as-a-service company, which delivers customer relationship management, CRM, and other enterprise software services on the cloud. It led the way with its new business model and started competing with traditional enterprise software giants like Oracle and SAP. Given how disruptive and effective cloud computing is, all the established industry leaders soon followed suit with their own cloud solutions. This migration towards web-based services was enabled, to a large extent, by the advent of the Java programming language and the Java virtual machine. That's because they made it easier to create large-scale web applications. Applications written in Java can run on any Java virtual machine regardless of underlying computer system architecture. Ethereum introduced the virtual machine concept to the blockchain world. The Ethereum virtual machine enables standardized smart contracts and decentralized applications to be created and run on the blockchain. This is done with the help of a Turing-complete programming language such as Solidity, which was purposely designed by the Ethereum development team. Turing-complete means that it is general-purpose or computationally universal. In other words, it can be used to program and perform pretty much any function or task. This design makes Ethereum a perfectly suitable environment for decentralized applications. We can extrapolate now a long-term trend in technology from the original software applications companies like Microsoft and Oracle launched back in the 70s and 80s to the cloud-based but still centralized services companies like Google and Salesforce pioneered in the late 90s and early 2000s, to the decentralized applications of the future. We believe that blockchain-based decentralized applications will be the new big thing in computer technology, which will complement and compete with the currently available cloud solutions. We'll talk about that more in the next sections. All right, this will do it for now. In the next lesson, we'll delve into the wide range of smart contracts and decentralized applications powered by the Ethereum virtual machine. You'll see how it opens up enormous opportunities and takes blockchain applications to the next level. See you